Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove Safari as default browser on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to make sure that the alternative browser has been downloaded. For me, I have downloaded Chrome. Next, you're going to go to settings and over here scroll to the bottom till you find the app section. Click on apps and search for the new browser that you have downloaded. We downloaded Chrome, so I'm going to click on Chrome and then you'll be able to see the option that says default browser app. You can see it says on Safari right now. So you're going to click on it and then you'll be able to see Safari is enabled right now. You're going to click on Chrome and you'll be able to see that Chrome will be used to open links and browse the web. So that means that whichever link you open right now, they will all be opened in Chrome instead of Safari from now on. So if you don't see the option, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 14 or later. And that's basically how you can remove Safari as the default browser on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.